What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to create a Gmail account without the use of phone number in 2024. Otherwise, saying how you can be able to create a Gmail account without having to input the phone number. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to do that. You won't need to input any code while opening a Gmail account. So stay tuned with me and don't miss any single step, as I'll be showing you how you can be able to achieve this step by step. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and turn on notifications so that when I post helpful videos like this, you will get notified. So guys, don't miss any of this step-by-step process. I'll be showing you how you can be able to create a Gmail account without the use of phone number in 2024. So now, the first thing that I want to do is to head over to the YouTube. I'm going to be using our YouTube to do this. So once you head over to the YouTube, you click on this icon right here, the settings. When you click on the settings, you then select this option, the accounts option. Then once you select this accounts option, once you be clicking on this plus sign right here. So once you click on it, you'll see checking info, and then you have to input your password. So I'll just input my password. You wait for it to load up. Stay tuned to the end of this video so as to see ways in which you can be able to create this without the use of phone number. So now you select this option right here, which is the create account. Once you select the create account option, you see these two options. You can choose any of them, which is for my personal use or for my work or my business. So I'm going to be selecting the first one, which is for my personal use. So now once you select that option, you see the first name. Let's put Igwe as the surname and go ahead and use Felistus right here. You click on next. You get to select the date of birth. Any date, you can put the 25. Remember, this is just for practical purposes. Select January. The year can be any year, and then you select the gender, whether male or female. So select male, click on next, and then you wait for it to load. Now, the Gmail automatically suggests Gmail address in which you can be able to choose any of them that you feel is okay for you, or you can get to create your own Gmail address. So right now, we just get to select any one. Select the first one, and then we'll click on next. We just input any password. Now, when inputting a password, to make a password really strong, you can input it using uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and any of the sign. For example, like this, you can choose to put capital G just like this, and then you put the sign and a number just like this. Now you click on next. You see this option that shows whether you want to add a phone number. Now there are two options that show right here, which is this and this. Now you just go ahead and click on skip to avoid that, and here is your Gmail account. Now we'll be able to bypass the side that shows imputing phone number to request code. Once you are done with that, you click on next. Our Gmail account is live. You can see the privacy and terms policy. You can just scroll down and click on I agree so as to be able to activate your Gmail account. So guys, you can see on my screen right now, our Gmail account is currently live, and then we'll be able to create this Gmail account without the use of phone number. So now guys, if you found this video helpful, do us to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notifications so that when I post videos like this, you get notified. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.